First and foremost, Jamaican women are the queens, the star, the pinnacle, the pyramid, the moon, the sun. They really know how to flirt and make a man fall. Yes man, Jamaican women are the sexiest and best flirts that I ever come across. They are wow. When they stepping out looking real good in their nice outfits, very enjoyable to watch, and they let nothing upset them. They possess such an infectious laugh. They are a real empress. And even when they go through trying times, they never lose their joy. I love the bond, the happy vibes when I'm with Jamaican women. Being together, it gives a happy feeling. They stay positive during adversities. They are blessed empresses that God sent on earth, to keep Jamaican men from getting lonely. They are like lots of variety, and a real lesson to learn from them and their unique personalities. They crack me up when they get upset, and start to drop their English, and go straight into a proper Jamaican mother tongue. They always have a vibe, and they bounce right back. It's fantastic. They are great women, I really admire them. They really work hard, and can at times stay very positive in difficult situations. I never stop believing that what God put together, no man can put asunder. Productivity with a real Jamaican queen is what a Jamaican man like me is all about. I don't worry about negative people, and what they want to say about my Jamaican princesses, because at the end of the day, they are human like every other woman on this earth, and everybody at times can show signs of reaching a breaking point, so I don't let naysayers, or negative people deter me from being together with my real and naturally beautiful and nurturing Jamaican women. I love them. Being with them is natural. They are my favorite, influential and hard-working people. Jamaican women are exemplary to future generations. Still we rise.